Here's a project that comes right from the heart. My new baby granddaughter needed space for all of her new things. Store-bought closet organizers are costly and don't always give you the space you need. For this project, I'm leaving all of the existing closet components in place and adding around them using some inexpensive and easy to source materials. First, a few of these melamine boards. I cut one to fit the length of the closet, then added risers to it to double up the top shelf space. Next, I made a couple of 3-section shelf units that will sit on the floor. The upper unit is spaced to hold plastic shoeboxes that are perfect to store all those small items that babies need. The shelf units below are spaced wider apart, and they hold larger plastic boxes. The hanging clothes go back on the existing hang rod. We added size dividers to identify the clothes that she will grow into. The new shelf space adds lots of room to hold toys and other items she will soon need. As a finishing touch, laminated labels are attached with Velcro to the boxes, so it's simple to know what's inside. In total, there's about $40 in laminate shelving materials and another $40 for the plastic boxes. This is a lot less expensive, way more functional, and much easier to install than anything you can buy in a box.